This is the Nest Yale Lock installation procedure. To complete this procedure, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Pencil, tape measure, drill, wood mortise chisel, and utility knife are optional. Remove existing lock hardware. The Nest Yale Lock comes with an adjustable deadbolt, so it can be installed on a door that has a back set of 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. The deadbolt is set at 2 3/8 inches. Ensure the deadbolt is in the retracted and unlocked position to adjust. Adjust the deadbolt to 2 3/4 inches if you require a longer length. Install the adjustable deadbolt. The deadbolt must be in the retracted and unlocked position. Install the strike plate using 2 strike screws. You can also use the optional security strike plate screws. Note: before installing the exterior keypad lock, the deadbolt must be in the retracted, unlocked position. Note the horizontal orientation of the internal mechanism. Install the exterior keypad lock so it is flush with the door. Make sure you guide the wires under the deadbolt. Remove the battery cover using the supplied tool. Set it aside. Remove the interior mounting plate from the inside of the lock. Guide the cable assembly through the cable hole through the interior mounting plate. Make sure it is flush with the door and straight before attaching with the 2 long through bolts. Connect the cable to the white connector, ensuring that the 2 white ridges on the cable are facing towards you. Ensure the cable is fully seated in the connector. Mount the inside of the lock, ensuring the tailpiece passes through the horizontal slot in the adjustable deadbolt. Secure the inside of lock with the 2 screws provided. Close the door. With the door closed, test the operation of the lock. If the deadbolt does not easily extend and retract, check the door prep. Insert 4 AA batteries. The lock will automatically adjust for proper handing. Note: the deadbolt must be in the retracted, unlocked position before installing batteries. Reinstall the battery cover. The following steps will show you how to program the Nest Yale Lock. Touch the Yale button to wake it up. Enter a 4 to 8 digit master passcode, then press the check to continue. To create a user passcode, enter the master passcode, and then press the gear key. Enter the 4 to 8 digit user passcode, then press the check button to continue. Press the arrow button to repeat. Press the check button to finish programming. Download the Nest app and integrate the Nest Yale Lock. Additional programming and passcodes can be set up in the Nest app. Note the master passcode may also need to be set up in the app. Once the lock is enrolled in the app, 20 passcodes will be available for use. This concludes the Nest Yale Lock installation procedure.